What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Fish Around and Find Out. This week, Mother Nature decided to throw a curveball. When my alarm went off at 0500, I was greeted by a fresh blanket of snow. I had planned to fish around at a new lake. I could hit the snooze button, or I could hit the ice. I'm trekking down snow-covered dirt roads, and I know before I start that I'm already low on propane. If the heat goes out, that puts a ticking clock on all my electronics. And what happens next? You're going to have to watch to find out. Let's just say the storm isn't the only thing that's biting today.
There we go. GoPro. Oh yeah. Look at that guy. A jig at the time. That's pretty cool. Give that back. It's not big. As you can see by my breath, my heater has shut off and I'm out of propane. Hashtag fish. There we go. I have figured out what they want. GoPro highlight.
It's time for another Fish Around and Find Out field tip of the week. If you're exploring a new body of water and you just had a sudden warm-up and now it's covered in snow, you don't know where the safe spots are. Get your trusty ice chisel or spud bar, depending on your geographic location. And as you walk out, you want to tap that ice ahead of you. I'll show you in a second. You don't want to do it right beneath your feet, because that's where you're standing. Alright, here's my feet. If you do it right here, and there's only a couple of inches of ice, you're gonna fall through. As you go, you want to test it out in front of you. And as always, keep your ice picks around your neck just in case you do fall through. The best rescue is self-rescue. Shit, I'm doubled up. Tiny little bass. Boom! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck you. God damn it. That was a big fucking fish. Ah, shit. Oh, yes. Finally, last fish of the day. Taking it home. I don't care that it's small. In the pot. Alright, I learned from last time to not drag my sled over the loudest things possible when filming my outro. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I did end up catching some keepers today, so I'm gonna go fry those up. I'll probably include it in the video. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Click all the buttons. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.